They sleep most of the time. I tried to get them just after they ate, hoping they might have just a little bit of energy. But here's our little purple girl. Her regular little band, you can see under here, it's just a little paper band, kind of like what you'd get if you bought a pass to the fair. It's hard to see, so I put a regular ribbon on her so you could see her with her siblings. All they really want to do is just cuddle with each other. Come here, little one. Wanna lay down and say hi? Say hi. Hi, baby girl. You like to have your belly rubbed, don't you? Yeah. How are you, baby? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. All the pups in this litter are about the same size. I think they'll end up being about 12 pounds. Mama is a little bit on the bigger side, and they seem to be taken after her. Dad is only, I think, 8.5 pounds, but you know, it's so early right now, I can only really guess. Oh, don't nurse on her ear. You can't nurse on an ear. You stinker. You know, stinker. See, they just get in a big puppy pile and then they go to sleep. And then they wake up and they rearrange their puppy pile and then they go to sleep. And then they nurse and then they go to sleep. And that's about it right now, isn't it? Yes, you sweet babies. What? What? Yeah. No, you can't nurse my finger either. Are you hungry? If I can turn the bed around, you can see their faces over here all cuddled in. Is that just ever so cute? This fella here that's a little lighter, this is our boy. The girls are just a tiny shade darker. You can see his light coat. It's kind of a good identifier for him. So this one right here is silver, and I actually took her collar off of her. You can see she almost has kind of a white dot on her head. I think after a while you really aren't going to be able to see it too much. And then this right here, here's our teal girl. You can see that. Right? Of course, they're dolls. I realize I'm biased though. Looks like our teal girl is the most awake of the 4 of them right now. But all it takes is for her to find her spot.
What did you get yourself?
What are you doing, baby? Aren't you looking for your spot? There's nothing to nurse there. Are you hungry? Yeah, I think you are. I think you are, yes. I do. You're on top of your sister. She's all trapped under you. Doesn't care a bit. They like to be all smushed together. I guess it feels cozy to a baby puppy. Oh, there I got a tail. That's Purple's tail. Yeah. Look at this one, trying to get right there in the middle. Wants a nice warm spot. That's what this is. Shh. Yep, there she is. That's what she was looking for. Quiet spot. And here is the sleeping baby. She's got Teal's tail in front of her face, but what a little baby doll. You can see she's little. Right now, anyway. She weighs about as much as a can of soda. Roughly. No. Are you hungry? Huh? You're just hungry. What? Or are you getting teeth? It's getting close to that time. Yeah, this is pretty much what they do all day long. And I assume all night long, but I don't check on them at night anymore. I think Mama's getting upset that I took her pups though, so I better get them back.